Welcome back to Viet Flavours. Today we're making a fresh and vibrant Asian beef and noodle salad with tender beef, noodles, edamame, cherry tomatoes, and red onion. Light, flavorful, and perfect for any day of the week. For this recipe, you'll need, for the salad, 300 grams of beef sirloin or flank steak, 200 grams of noodles of your choice, 2/3 of a cup of shelled edamame beans, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 3 green onions, half a medium red onion, a bunch of fresh cilantro leaves, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, optional for garnish, for the beef marinade, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon honey, half a teaspoon black pepper. For the dressing, 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1½ tablespoon sugar, 3 small red chilies finely sliced. You can adjust the amount of fresh chilies based on your heat tolerance. I personally love the heat, so I use 3 red chilies here. First, let's marinate the beef. In a mixing bowl, add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, honey, sesame oil, black pepper, garlic powder, and grated ginger. Give it a good stir. Brush the beef with the marinade, ensuring each side is well coated. Let it rest for at least 20 minutes or longer if you have time. This step gives the beef a deep, savory flavor and keeps it tender. While the beef is marinating, cook the noodles. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then cook the noodles according to the package instructions. Set them aside to cool while we prepare the rest of the salad. Next, let's prepare our fresh ingredients. Roughly chop the cilantro, finely chop the green onions, thinly slice the red onion, and halve the cherry tomatoes. These fresh herbs and vegetables are going to bring brightness and color to the salad. These mini tomatoes are from the last harvest before winter in my backyard. They're a bit small and not very red, but still delicious. Now it's time to cook the beef. Heat a pan or grill over medium-high heat. Once it's hot, add the marinated beef and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Remove the beef from the pan. Let it cool slightly. Then slice against the grain. Aim for the beef to be just above medium, not too rare. Now it's time to make the dressing. In a small bowl, combine the fish sauce, lime juice, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and finely sliced red chilies. Stir until the sugar is fully dissolved. This dressing should be a balance of salty, sour, sweet, and a little bit nutty from the sesame oil. Now we bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, add the cooled rice noodles and pour the dressing over top. Toss well so the noodles soak up all that flavor. Then add the cherry tomatoes, edamame beans, and sliced red onion. Pour in a bit more dressing and gently toss to combine. Now, toss in the chopped green onions and cilantro and briefly mix. Place the noodle salad into your serving bowl or platter. Top with the cooked beef slices. Drizzle more dressing over them. Finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds for extra flavor, and top with more cilantro. This salad looks absolutely beautiful. So vibrant with the bright greens, pops of red from the chilies and tomatoes, and those glossy slices of beef on top. Your Asian beef and noodle salad is ready to serve. You can enjoy it right away at room temperature, or chill it for about 30 minutes for a more refreshing salad. Thanks for watching Viet Flavours. If you enjoyed this Asian beef and noodle salad, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves fresh, vibrant meals. Let us know in the comments how yours turned out and what dish you'd like to see next.